Hello students, how are you? Fine? Okay, I'm also fine. Now standard 4th, subject maths, chapter 2, part 3, how do you jump and run? Okay, have you heard about marathon races in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? People run marathons on road because the track of a stadium is only 400 meters. Now 10 round of stadium track equal to 4,000 kilometers. That's why 400 meters into 10, that means 10 rounds. So we have to find 4,000 kilometers. If you run marathon on stadium track, you will have to complete it 10 rounds. Okay, so we have to going to long jump. Now here we have to going to long jump. This is the long jump for boys. Here you see in this picture, some boy is going to be jumping. Yes, okay. Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meters 40 centimeters. Gurjit is second. His jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu. Gopi comes third. His jump is only 5 centimeter less than Gurjit's jump. Okay. So now see here. How long are Gurjit and Gopi jumps? We have to find from this. Okay. 3 meter and 25 centimeter. And Gopi's jump is 3 meter and 25 centimeter. Okay, now try and see how far you can jump. You have to jump and find how can you jump and how far you jump. Okay, so here how far can you throw balls? Here 15 meters. Okay, and look for a big ball like a football or volleyball. How far can you kick it? आप लोग जो बॉल होते हैं उसको आप थ्रो करोगे वॉलीबॉल को तो वो कितना दूर जाता है और किस तरह से आप किक लगाते हो. बिग बॉल हो, फुटबॉल हो, वॉलीबॉल हो, कोई भी बॉल से आप जब खेलते हो तो वो कितना दूर जाता है वो आपको इसमें नोट डाउन करना है. ओके, so here is a long jump. Now see here, here's some Indian records for world's recorder of long jumps. Sports, world record and Indian record. See here. Okay. High jump man, long jump man, high jump woman, long jump woman. Who takes the world record? See here in this picture, and who record Indian record. Okay, here is sports, world records and Indian records. 3 type of table here you to see. Okay, so here name of the recorder. Here is also world recorder and here is Indian recorder. So you have to find out the answer from this table. See here. Read these questions and after then you have to find the answer clearly in this page. Okay, see all the tables and write answers in this table. From this tables. Okay, you see here some question. One more time. Okay, read carefully and answer this question. You have to already read this table and you have to answer the following questions. From page number 18, textbook. Okay, very good. Now you have to see here running exercise. We have to do here. See, here some running exercise. See, the doctor told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He looks one round of this field. How far did he run? Here is a field of the Devi Prasad. Run and take his body fit. Okay, this is the picture of park. Here you see the field is very far from his home, so he chose a park nearby. Okay, and this is the boundary of the park. This is the boundary of the park. The boundary of the park about 400 meters. How can we find 400? See here, 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500. That's way we find the field of the park here. No, the field was very far. So Devi Prasad decided the park to run from his home. Here is the field measure, but we have to measure with 400 instead of 500. And after then we have to do this. How many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers? And one day the weather was very cold, and so in good weather and cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till the got tired after 8 rounds. उसने तो आज अच्छा लगा क्योंकि अच्छा सा वेदर था एंड अच्छी कूल ब्रीजिंग हो रही थी, बहुत ही बढ़िया सा एटमॉस्फेयर था. सो ही फेल्ट गुड एंड सो ही इज जॉगिंग. आफ्टर 8 rounds he got 8 rounds, and then how kilometer he run. So we have to find here. That day he ran 3 kilometer and 200 meters, 3 kilometer and 200 meters. Today he run. Okay, so that's where we find how can we run about this field or this park. Okay, now Devi Prasad got in the first round 500 meters, 500 meters, 500 meters, 500 meters. That means 5, 5, 5, 5. 2000, 500, 500, 500, 500 plus this meters. So we have to go 2000 meters, and you have to convert in 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. That's way you have to one meter make 1000 meter make 1 kilometer. That's way you find this sum and convert this meter to kilometer and kilometer to meter. Okay, so next day we have to do sums for this type of convert the meter and kilometer. So thank you class.